So my channel was recently growing and growing and growing faster than it ever had before. And then suddenly it just started to flatline. Now I wasn't getting no views at this point, but my views had definitely gone down. And you know what? I'm okay with that because I know exactly why. And I know that even though I'm getting less views than I was before, it really doesn't matter. You see, it all came down to shorts. Shorts are great for two things: getting a lot of views that aren't really monetizable, at least not much, and two, getting subscribers. And it was the second one that I really cared about at that time. You see, the channel that I'm talking about here, not this channel, but my product reviews channel, was really close to getting monetized, but it still lacked a few subscribers. You need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. Plus, of course, the 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year. So I'd gotten the watch time, but I was still a little behind on the subscribers. So I thought to myself, well, I could wait, and it'll probably be a month or so, or I could post some shorts. And once I started posting shorts more often, those subscribers came in. And then once I got the 1,000 subscribers that I needed, I stopped posting as many shorts. Here's the thing, past 1,000 subscribers and getting monetized, subscribers are just a vanity metric. The whole silver play button thing, I mean, yeah, it would look nice on my wall, but it's just a vanity metric. You don't really need subscribers to do well on YouTube. And you also don't need views from shorts, because shorts, while you can get a lot of views from shorts, the income you get from shorts compared to long form videos, it's not even comparable. Shorts views, monetarily speaking on YouTube, are only worth about 2 to 10% of what a long form video is worth. For several of my channels, my RPM is about $3 to $6 per 1,000 views. But for shorts, it's more like 10 cents per 1,000 views. Now granted, you oftentimes do get more views on those shorts, but even with that factored in, it's way harder to make a living from YouTube on shorts. But they do serve their purpose because, like I said, you can get some subs from shorts. And if you need subs to get that 1,000 mark, post some shorts, man. I don't think it's a long-term strategy, but it can work in the short term, and that's what I was using it for. Now, this is really part of a larger conversation as well, because I have another channel where I post lots of shorts. My goal for that channel isn't monetization, so I'm not concerned about how much I can get per view. My goal for that channel is simply reach. I want to reach as many people that I possibly can with the message of that channel. So on that channel, I post content of various lengths. Some are over 20 minutes, some are about 3 to 5 minutes, and I post a lot of shorts as well. And because of that, I'm reaching audiences who are interested in various types of content: short videos, medium length videos, and longer videos, and I'm therefore reaching more people. And that's the goal for that channel. So really what it comes down to is, what is your goal on YouTube? Is your goal to reach as many people as you can? Then absolutely post shorts. Is your goal to get monetized and make a living on YouTube? I'm not saying shorts can't be part of that strategy, but you probably need to put more effort into long form videos. Have a vast library of those, sprinkle in some shorts here and there for maybe some reach. They're not gonna make you money, but they can give you some exposure. But yeah, just figure out what you wanna do on YouTube, find out what your goals are, and lean into that. You don't have to follow the same strategy somebody else does, but you do need to figure out why you're on YouTube and then make your own plan and then follow that plan. Hey, if I could do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.